Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and we're an authorized dealer for MuxLab products. So we got quite a few of their products in stock, and let's check out today's item. Okay, so today's MuxLab part we're looking at is the HDMI-over-Coax extender kit. Let's crack it open. This HDMI-over-Coax extender kit allows an HDMI source to be connected to an HDMI receiver up to 250 feet at 1080p resolution via one coax cable and a point-to-point configuration. Furthermore, the product may be cascaded via the HDMI-over-Coax receiver in order to support multi-display applications. Now this supports HDMI over one RG59 coax cable, up to 250 feet at 1080p, and up to 500 feet at 1080i 720p resolution. To order this item and many other MuxLab items online, visit DiscountLowVoltage.com. Thanks.